Hi everyone, I'm Matt Bonilla, the lead engineer here at Eibach, and this is our weekly recap. I started here about 6 years ago as an intern, and when I graduated I worked here full-time as a design engineer, and now I'm the lead engineer. My day-to-day I kind of do a little bit of everything from designing springs, sway bars, shocks, and making sure the ride heights and ride quality of the vehicles are good. In this recap we talk about the new Tundra, our Overland Expo Maverick build, product feature for the Acura RDX, and our annual spring sale. This week we worked on 2 different Tundras for R&D. We had the airbag model and the non-airbag model. We reached our target heights, so we're getting ready for the release process and hopefully get that to you guys pretty soon. We installed our PRO-KIT lift system with clip height adjustable shocks and our lift springs. And after that we installed our HD rear springs, followed by our rear sway bar. For this week's product feature we've got the Acura RDX PRO-KIT. With these lowering springs, your RDX all-wheel drive is lowered by 1.5 inches up front and 1.2 inches in the rear. You can find this on our website. Speaking of our website, our spring sale is running until the 14th. Be sure to make those Eibach purchases now to get 10% off and free shipping. Visit eibach.com for more information. Last, we got started on our Overland Expo build. We got the project started by installing a soft topper. This should protect our possessions from the elements night and day. Along with the soft topper, we'll be installing a brand new set of 1552 wheels. You'll see this in the next update. That's it for this week's recap. Be sure to like and subscribe.